Topaz Gigapixel AI uses revolutionary AI technology to accurately and realistically enlarge your images up to 6 times while keeping your subjects and image details tack sharp. Gigapixel AI can be used to enlarge full-sized images to create larger prints or to upscale your older low-res image library into full-resolution files you can actually use. Getting started is easy. Click the Open button and select the images you'd like to process, or drag and drop directly onto the Gigapixel AI interface. The latest version of Gigapixel AI features a new, larger preview pane to better view your results. The preview area allows you to view what Gigapixel AI will produce at the current settings. You can leave the Select All box checked to apply the same settings across all images, or uncheck it and specify the images you'd like to apply specific settings to. You have 3 different ways to resize your image in Gigapixel. Resize by scale lets you multiply the resolution of your image anywhere from 1/2 to 6 times its input size. You can pick one of the predefined scaling values or enter your own. You can also resize by width or height. This allows you to scale your image to a chosen value based on pixels, inches, or centimeters. You can also set PPI or pixels per inch for your output image. This comes in handy when creating prints. Gigapixel AI also features face refinement. Faces small in dimension are usually difficult to upscale, but switching face refinement on allows Gigapixel to produce a more seamless enlargement of faces in your photos. To give you more control over your output image, Gigapixel also includes suppress noise and remove blur sliders to quickly refine your image before processing. Manually adjust the sliders to apply the refinements, or select Auto and let Gigapixel do the work for you. Next, select Batch Processing to open the Batch Output Options menu. Here, you can customize your file names to quickly find them in your folders. You can save your images back to the source folder, or select a new save path. You can even convert your file format to a different format and adjust the export quality. Finally, you can choose to keep the image's color profile or change it. Whether you're processing 1 or 100 photos, Gigapixel's batch processing gives you the ability to move quickly through your upscaling workflow. To get started,
想要吗？全都整理在菜单里了，快去看看。